No, my, welcome. Hey, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? It must be toy time. Hoake tātou. Tēnā koutou. Ko Tama aho. My name is Tama. Meet my whānau.
Kia ora, I'm Jojo. No mai e hoa ma, I'm Maya.
Hey, where are the others?
Kei konei maua.
Here we are. I'm Wolfie, the cuddliest wolf in town.
And I'm Oma. I'm a rapati.
And this is our awesome whare.
We live here with our good friend Mōhio. Mōhio, mihi atu?
Tēnā koutou. Welcome, everyone.
Pretty cool, eh?
Ko tātou tēnā. That's everyone. Let's dance.
Yay!
Kua rite koutou.
Ai.
Whai mai.
Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi. Kia kotahira, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahira, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou, tātou e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aro Would you like to see our secret handshake? It goes like this. Hey, toy time! Hey, do you and your friends have a secret handshake? You could make one together.
Hey, Mohio, what makes a good friend?
Friends are people we like to spend time with, people you can trust and have lots of fun with.
Well, I like spending time with you guys, and we have lots of fun. Then we must be all great friends.
Well, thanks for being here today, friend.
Oh, wow. Thanks for having me, friend. Aw, nice to see you, friend.
Well, it's nice to be seen, friend.
Tēnā koe, e hoa. I wonder what other friends we're going to meet today. Let's find out.
Tēnā koutou, it's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Check out this amazing playground I found. Let's go exploring together, eh? Haere mai. I'm gonna go right to the top. Come on. Whoa. Whoa, this is really high. I can do it, Dave. I can do it. I did it! Yay! Oh, hoorah! I made it! Come on! Whoa, check these out, whānau. That's the Buzz, my cuz. Come on. Whoa, check this one out. Here we go. Oh, it's gonna tip. Oh, oh, it was me. Let's go, come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, oh. Oh, check this thing out. Oh, 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 oh. Got there, come on, let's go. I'm really good at exploring by myself, eh? But it would be nice to have a friend to explore with sometimes too.
Hey, you all good?
All good, bro.
You want me to teach you how to make friends?
I would love that. What do I do?
Well, you just gotta be kind,
Yeah?
caring, and thoughtful.
Mean.
Yeah.
Kia ora, I'm Buzz.
Kia ora, my name's Theo.
Oh, kia ora,
You wanna
Theo.
go for a spin?
I would love to go for a spin.
Okay, let's go. Ready?
Oh, ready, ready. Okay, ready, ready.
One.
Here we go. Oh, can't get there, whānau.
Wow! What have we got here today?
Jojo, wow, did you make this out of all of this?
Yep. I'm making wakarererangi, aeroplanes. Oh, he whakaaro pai tēnā, Jojo. We can fly our wakarererangi to visit friends and whānau who live far away.
How did you make this, Jojo?
Well, I used a big square box for the body of the plane, and these flat pieces worked really well for the wings. Oh, now I just need to finish it off.
What about we use this propeller and put it on the front of the plane?
Ka pai. Hey, what else do we need, Jojo? We need a tail that goes on the back of the plane. Oh, what about this? That's perfect. We need a good strong tail to guide us through the air. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Oh, I think it's ready to go, Captain Jojo.
This is your captain speaking. We are about ready for takeoff. If you would please take your seats. Kwarite?
Aye,
Bye!
Hoake tātou.
Aeroplane up in the sky, above the clouds, we're up so high. I left my home and now today I'll see special people who live far away. The roads and cars, they look so small. The houses don't look real at all. They look like toys I had at home for playing with friends and on my own. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day. We could go to Napier, Ahuriri, Christchurch, or Totahi, Dunedin, or Te Poti, Queenstown or Wanaka, Wellington, Te Whanganui Atara, Auckland, Tamaki Makaurau, Hamilton, Kirikiriroa, Taupo or Tauranga. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day. Going on an airplane ride, flying far away. The pilot takes us for a trip. What an exciting day.
We're getting ready for our friend to arrive.
We've made some snacks and we're even putting out some flowers so our friend feels very welcome.
Is he here yet?
Not yet.
Knock, knock.
It'll be him. Who's there?
It's you.
Who, me?
It's you.
You who?
You who? It's me.
Oh, cool one, cuz. Ko who mai? Oh.
Hey, Buzz!
Hey, Maya. So today I've brought with me Mr. Ted. Yay. And I've brought with me Leo, knee lion. And I've also brought Mr. T-Rex. Oh, cool. And I've also brought Happy Hippie, the happiest hippie in the whole whenua.
Well, tēnā koe, Mr. Ted. Welcome.
Oh, kia ora, Leo, ni, the lion.
Mr. T-Rex, your Turu is here.
Today, I've brought some new friends with us to have tea.
Oh, hey, what a great idea.
I love tea.
What about you, Mr. T-Rex?
T-Rex. Good one, Jojo.
Tēnā koutou e hoa mā. I'm very happy to see you today. Tūtake mai ki taku hoa. This is Anna. Kia ora, Anna.
Kia ora everyone.
Anna and I are best friends and we love to sing together and we also love to play the guitar. What's the Māori word for guitar again, bub?
Raku raku.
Te meke. Oh, have a look at my guitar. I've got strings. Cool, eh? Yeah, and I've got a capo.
Oh.
And it's made out of wood.
Oh, neat.
It's cool, eh? And you can actually play the drums on it.
Love it.
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, where's your guitar? Do you have one?
I do. It's right here.
Whoa, choice one, sis. Okay, shall we do a waiata together?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ka tīmata te waiata.
Purea nei e te hau, horoia e te ua, whiti whitia e te rā. Mahiakinga Ora do da do Makere ana ngahere Makere ana ngahere Makere ana ngahere
Friends help each other. Friends help each other out. I love to play dress-ups with my friend Julia. She's all done. We're superheroes. We're superheroes. Friends play together. Friends share. We love our
Bring, 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 bring.
Jojo,
Oh, kia ora, Tama. It's me, Jojo.
how are you doing this?
I'm calling you on my balloon phone.
Oh,
Anyways, what are you doing?
nothing. What do you feel like doing?
I don't know. What do you feel like doing?
Got some balloons.
Mohio, we're bored.
Yeah. Hey, Mohio, what can you teach us about friends?
Well, friendship grows as two people learn more about each other. Why don't you find out a bit more about one another?
Okay. Well, what's your favourite game, Tama?
I love Keepy Uppy.
Me too.
Hey, what's your favorite food?
Ooh, mine's pizza.
Oh, Mohio,
Yes, Tama?
my favorite food is my mum's roast chicken. Can me and Jojo still be friends if we like different things?
Yes, friends can like different things, have different interests, and can even live in different parts of the world too.
Oh, great. Well, my favorite food is...
I know. It's your mum's roast chicken, especially with homemade gravy and stuffing.
Jojo! How did you know all of that?
Because I'm your friend. I already knew that one.
I wanna dance, 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 dance around the room, dance, dance, dance. Wanna dance with you, dance, 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 dance around the room. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna clap my hands, stay in time with me. Clap my hands, stay in time with me. Clap my hands, stay in time with me. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna wave my arms, wave them side to side, wave my arms, wave them side to side, wave my arms, wave them side to side. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna stomp my feet, stomping noisily, stomp my feet, stomping noisily, stomp my feet, stomping noisily. I want to dance with you. I'm gonna twirl around, getting dizzy, twirl around, getting dizzy, twirl around, getting dizzy. I want to dance with you. I wanna dance, 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 dance around the room, dance, dance, dance. Wanna dance with you, dance, 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 dance around the room. I want to dance with you. I want to dance with you.
Oh, Ma, can you please help me?
Of
course, Wolfie. He rata te mate.
I have all of these gifts for our friends, but I'm having trouble choosing which gift everyone will like.
Okay, well, what have you got?
Well, I have a bouncy ball, and I have some colouring pencils, and I have the skipping rope.
Oh, those are great gifts. I'm sure our friends will just love them.
So, who do you think will like the skipping rope?
Well, I think Jojo likes jumping the best.
Oh, she does?
Yeah, she's always asking me for hopping tips, and we just love hopping about together.
Well, this skipping rope will be perfect for Jojo. Okay, well, what about Maya and Tama?
Well, Maya loves colouring in, but so does Tama.
And Maya and I play fetch all the time, so she likes playing with the ball too.
Oh, but Tama is really great at playing catch.
So how do I decide who gets which?
I know, Wolfie. Why don't we invite all of our friends to play with all of the presents? That way we can all play with them and take turns.
Oh, I like that idea, Oma. We can enjoy playtime together. Oh, Oma, you really are the most clever rabbit.
Kia ora.
Kia re te mai e hoa mā. We're about to sing an all-new waiata about friends. Are you ready?
When you're feeling sad, when you're feeling blue, my ears are here to listen and my shoulders too. And if you feel like crying, sniff, sniff away. You know that I'll be here for you, here to stay. 'Cause I'm your friend. It's so easy 'cause I love you. I'm your friend. It's so easy 'cause I love you. I'm your friend. What will we ever do without our friends? I've got you. You know that you can hold my hand. Just sit still, breathe in and out. I understand. Without our friend, I've got you. You know that if you feel like crying, know that I'll be here for you. Breathe in and out. I understand. 'Cause I'm your friend.
We've been exploring at the beach with our friends.
We found lots of great shells. Take a look.
Well, this is part of a scallop shell. It usually has two parts to it. A flat part that goes on the bottom, and then this curvy part goes on the top. See how it opens and shuts?
Aye, look at this shell. It has all of these great colours, green, purple and blue. Do you know what kind of shell this is?
He rerehua tērā anga pāua, and they like to cling to the rocks, don't they?
Aye. What other shells did you find?
Well, I found these pippy shells. They're all different sizes and colours, see?
Wow, check out this shell.
Wow!
If you hold this one up to your ear, you can hear the sound of the moana.
Wow! That's awesome! I can't wait to show Jojo.
Me too.
Ko te wāpūrākau tēnei, and we just love story time! Popper plays piano. Nico and Jade love visiting their Popper. He looks just like their dad, but older. When they see him, both run for a hug. Jade wins, but Popper hugs them both. Nico and Popper sit down at the piano. Popper starts to play. He smiles as he plays. Nico smiles too. Jade watches her Popper's fingers fall over the piano. Popper's lying, decides Jade. He says he can't see, that he is blind. He has a stick that he calls a magic wand, and he waves it in front of him when he walks. Who's hungry, says their Popper. Oh, me, says Nico. Their Popper waves his wand all the way to the kitchen. Jade has an idea. She climbs up on the stool as he prepares the sandwiches, and Jade pokes her tongue out at him. Nothing. Popper just whistles away. Jade silently growls at him. Nothing. Jade makes her mean face. Jade, what are you doing? Asks her dad. He's lying, says Jade. Everyone stares at Jade. He's not blind. Most things I can do. I can read books, cook dinner, swim in the sea. Sometimes I bang into things, but I am just like you. A bit different, but that's okay. Jade hops on her Popper's knee for a big hug. He doesn't seem sad that he can't see. Jade hugs him tight. Yes, everything is all right.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.